Hello everyone, this is Kyra from Landpack Machinery. Today let's learn how to use the flow packing machine when we receive it. This is the main packer and this part is the material conveyor belt. When we receive the goods, we need to connect the main packer and the conveyor belt by this part screws and this part screws. This is the docking plug. Insert it. Then connect with the sensor to avoid the empty bag. If you want to remove it, press this part and then take it out. The tray part need to connect. Then the packaging is finished. Before starting the machine, we need to connect the power cord and then connect the air tube. If you want to remove it, you need to flash the switch and then you can take it out. We need to open the power switch and then open the vertical switch and the horizontal switch and the cold switch. When the actual temperature matches the target temperature and the machine can work. This is the emergency stop button and this is the start button. This is the engine button used for testing and adjusting the position of the materials and the fuel before of official operation. And this is the start button. This is the touch screen. Here we can set the parameters such as running speed, bed length, material length, and the color mark position, material location. Now let the machine running.